Tēnā koutou katoa e te hunga mā takitaki i tēnei o ngā kiriata. Ko Te Urumahora tōku ingoa, he kaiawhina ahau ki ngā whare puka puka o Tauranga Moana. O tira he tauira kua te hinukura tuarua hoki o te wharekura o Mauao. Kia ora everybody, my name is Te Urumahora. I am a volunteer at the Tauranga City Libraries and I'm also a student and the deputy head girl at Te Wharekura o Mauao this year. So today we are going to be doing poi. Poi is simply the ball on the string beaten against the wrist, like so. In times of old, used by the men to strengthen their wrists for Māori weaponry. But nowadays the ladies have taken on the poi to make it more beautiful and more graceful. There are two types of poi. There is short poi. A short poi simply looks like this, with a string that goes from your hand to your elbow, able to do simple actions like this and this. We also have the long poi, which is from your fingertips to your shoulder, which is used by many groups from Te Ara Waka, which is Rotorua. They are very known for their uses of poi throughout Kapaka. Traditionally, the poi was made out of raupō swamp plant to make the ball and flax or harakeke to make the string. But nowadays, the poi are made out of a sponge for the middle or pillow filling with a plastic bag cover, wool string, or we have a cotton string here that you can get from your AJ's Emporium, and we have wool to make the pom-pom or tassels, which is just helps you to hold onto your poi and get a good grip of it. So yeah, today we'll be learning a very simple poi. Today we'll only need one poi, but I will be showing you some basic and maybe not so basic two poi actions. So let's go. We want to start with the ball in our left hand and the red pom-pom or whatever colour pom-pom you have, or the end of your poi in your right hand. Our first action, we're going to swing out and catch. Out and catch. If you can't catch the ball, catch the string. Our words that go with that action is e rere, taku poi. Then we're going to swing our poi up, ki runga. Then we're going back to our first action, e rere, taku poi, ki raro. And then we're going to bring it back up to ki runga. Then we're taking it back down to ki raro. Then we're going to step back with our right foot, ki roto. Step back with our feet together, ki waho. And then we're going to end with owe, he. So we're going to be at kia mau, and then poi kia mau, he, or poi kia mau, he. So we're going back to our first action, e rere, taku poi, ki runga. E rere, taku poi, ki raro. E rere runga, e rere raro, e rere roto, e rere waho. And then we're going to end with owe, he. Now we're going to put some music to it. And we're going to put all those actions together. So, kia mau, ki raro, kia mau, poi kia mau, he. toru, wha. E re re taku poi, e re re taku poi ki runga, ki runga. E re re taku poi, e re re taku poi ki raro, ki raro. E re re runga, e re re raro, e re re roto, e re re waho, e re re taku poi, e re re taku poi ki runga. Aue, aue, hey! And that is your very own poi to do at home. I'd like to give a huge mihi out to all of you that have watched this video and enjoyed doing your own poi from home, whether you be using a sock or making your own poi with the materials you have at home. And we hope to see you back at Tauranga City Libraries once lockdown is over. Stay safe and stay at home. Kia ora.
Mahi